Good morning, everyone. It's a really beautiful morning, isn't it? I would like to thank all the participants who are here with us at this Gender and Occupational Health Symposium, Experiences in Canada and South Korea. I would particularly like to thank Karen and her colleagues from traveling all the way to Korea from Canada. I sincerely welcome all of you with my entire heart. Thank you so much for being here. Let's send them a big round of applause. This symposium brings together to vitalize the network of researchers and activists from Korea and Canada. And we have provided the symposium in order to promote the research and actions to improve the health of all working women going forward. So I myself is a researcher and also a medical practitioner focusing on prevention and compensation for occupational hazards and injuries. And about 20 years ago, when I first became a doctor, I would be looking at my patients, I would be listening to my women worker patients, and I would feel that what they say are not in the textbooks. So for example, they would be standing for a long period of time in their work, and then they would have varicose veins. And these kind of illnesses do not appear in the occupational injury or hazard textbooks. And so I decided that I would come together with some of my colleagues to start studying these kind of issues. And that's when I came across Karen's book, One-Eyed Science. It was translated into Korean. Back in 2002, I heard that in Stockholm there was going to be a global women workers' health symposium, and I was able to participate. And I was able to meet many people from many different disciplines like sociology, ergonomics, and medicine. And everyone was coming together to find ways and discuss how to make a better world and healthier world for all working women. On a personal level, at that time, I was quite young, much younger than I am now. But anyway, I was rearing young children. I was also studying, I was also working, and I was going through quite a difficult time. And I was really inspired. And that meeting and symposium gave me a lot of hope, and I was able to come back more encouraged. And so for me, studying ways to promote the health of working women is also a process of having more hope that my daughters and myself will be able to live in a better world. And so the first session is bringing together the Korean researchers and activists who are trying to realize that hope. We'll be able to listen to what kind of actions they have taken and what research that they have performed. And in the afternoon, we will be hearing from the Canadian researchers on their experiences on what they have done in Canada to promote gender equality in the workplace. So we are here together at this symposium, not just to share experiences or knowledge. We'd like to go beyond that. We want to encourage each other and also forge a strong solidarity amongst one another. This symposium is being organized by 5 academic societies in Korea and also the Seoul National University's Occupational and Environment Health Lab. So let me just list the organizers. Occupational Health and Policy Forum, where are you? We have the Institute for Occupational and Environmental Health, where are you? Institute for Society and Health, wave your arms. Korean Industrial Hygiene Association, the Korean Institute of Labor Safety and Health, where are you? So the reason why I'm naming all the organizers is because these joint organizers are going to continue to work together, and we would like for you to continue your support to those organizations. And there is one organization that I forgot to mention, which is the Occupational and Environment Health Lab of the Graduate School of Public Health at the Seoul National University. And today's symposium is also being sponsored by 11 labor and social organizations as well as 8 individuals. And thanks to their help and support, we were able to overcome physical distances as well as language barriers. So we are able to have this hybrid symposium supported by simultaneous interpretation. So once again, thank you to our sponsors. So the registration shows that there were about 70 that have registered to be here in person, but then we also had 190 persons who registered to join us on Zoom, so quite a big number. So you can see that in Korea there's a lot of people. Actually, I think everyone who's interested in the health of women workers are joining us at the symposium today. So I hope that the stories that we share and the discussions we have at the symposium will inspire us, and we will hopefully will be able to share the happiness of learning and sharing experiences. Thank you so much and welcome everyone.